Hello everybody. I hope all are doing great. Very positive morning to each and everyone. And today I came up with a very interesting topic. Share your knowledge. Make a habit of sharing. It will give you multiples back. And I want to correlate this with very wonderful and beautiful story. So let's dive into today's story. Yes, once upon a time in a village, there was a very big businessman and conjuice and very cunning businessman. In his whole life, he never helped at least one person. Right? He has never a habit of helping others. So one day, when Guruji going through that village, so he heard about this businessman here or there. So he asked him one glass of water. Immediately he replied, "No, I'm so busy. Please get out from here." Okay. After 7 to 8 hours, he seen outside still that Guruji was standing there. He thought, okay, let it be only one glass of water. What's going to happen? So he thought to himself and he brought one big bottle of water and given him. So the Guruji replied, "Are you thinking that? Can I satisfy with this water? What are you thinking about me? I asked this water 8 hours before. Now you are bringing and giving me this bottle of water. Now I want very delicious and different types of food." So this businessman immediately replied, "Hello man, what are you thinking about me? What you are asking me? Are you understanding what you are asking? What you are asking and to whom you are asking? What are you thinking about me? Just get out from here. No water, no food, nothing. Get out from here." Right? He is very conscious person. So the day became night and night he slept, and as and when sun rises in the early morning, he opened the curtains and still that Guruji was standing out there. Guruji was very strong and very stubborn. So he thought to himself, he felt very bad, he felt so guilt to himself. So he prepared so many types of food and moved towards that Guruji and asked him, "Please take this food and leave from here. Why are you harassing me like this from yesterday onwards? What do you want, Guruji? Please take this and leave me." Then Guruji replied, "What are you thinking about me? I felt so bad. From last yesterday onwards, from last one day onwards, I am waiting here for this food. Now you are giving me this food? What are you thinking about?" Then this businessman felt so bad internally. He is unable to express. So internally he felt so bad and he requested him like, "Please Guruji, tell me what you want. Whatever you want to do, I will do that. I will satisfy you completely. But just leave me. Please just leave me." Then Guruji replied, "Okay. Our discussion started at one glass of water, right? So you have not given me that glass of water. So now you have to construct 2 wells." Then businessman was started thinking, whether can I do or not, something he's thinking in his mind. So immediately Guruji asked, "Is it possible to you or not? Please tell me. Don't think too much. If it's not possible to you, you know about me, right? You understood completely how stubborn I am, how strong I am. Now I will show you what I am." So then this businessman thought, okay, let it be. Whatever money I'm having, I will take out and I will construct. Let him go. He will go, right? So let him go. He thought to himself. Then he replied, "Okay Guruji, I will construct. I will satisfy you completely. Then please leave me." Okay, then he constructed 2 wells in his own place and he shown to Guruji, and Guruji ordered, "You have to follow all my instructions. One well you should completely open for your village people. 24/7, 365 days, this well should always be open. And moreover, this well exclusively for me. I will drink this well water. Nobody should drink this water. Then the businessman followed the same as told by the Guruji, and he left. As days are going on, days are moving on, and moreover, this village people felt so happy and they expressed so gratitude towards the Guruji and this cunning businessman. And because they got enough water to drink, moreover sweet water, well water will be very sweet, right? So they felt so gratitude, they thanked God. And as days are moving on, this cunning businessman completely forgotten everything whatever happened. So exactly 1 year later, the Guruji came back to the village and he asked, now open that well, I want to drink water now. So as and when businessman opened that well, for everyone's surprise, the well was empty. There was no water. So now Guruji started explaining to that businessman, see, this well is continuously using, right? Well is continuously in use by your villagers. So that's why water is flowing and growing like anything. But this well completely closed. Nobody is using. Water was there when you are closed, but now that was completely absorbed. So, my dear friends, in our lives too, whatever you are having, please make a habit of sharing. Please don't keep it with you. Please don't hide to you. Don't use only for you. Please share it. Whether it may be your knowledge, your education, your money, whatever it be. Please make habit of sharing. If you make a habit of sharing, your kids obviously they will make as it a habit. So the kids will learn from the parents or the surrounding people, right? So please make a habit of sharing, and I hope you all loved this story. And if you loved this story, please like it, and if you want more people to love this story, please share it. And till next week, your Harita signing off. Thank you. Take care.